What up guys, Digital Slang, welcome back. Today another portable power bank from Blavor, a 10,000 milliamp solar portable power bank that also doubles as a wireless charger for all of your tech needs. And if you follow the channel at all and you've seen some of my videos, I love these things. I think they're fantastic. A little piece of tech, not very expensive. But what they can provide on here, there's a flashlight on here. If you lose power, you can charge up all your tech. So if you need to contact somebody, you can do that. And if you're out and into the outdoors and you're a hiker, you can bring this with you and have a charger with you that you don't need to charge because the sunlight will take care of that. But let's take a look. We'll check this out in a second. Also in the box, we do get a compass with a carabiner on it, and there is an attachment here where you can hook it to on the actual charger, so you will be able to hook this up to a backpack or something like that. We also get the USB Type-C to charge this up. Now, 5-watt charger plugged into USB Type-C. It's going to take about 5.5 to 6 hours to fully charge this up. If you want to charge this up in the sunlight, it's going to take about 50 hours of sunlight to fully charge this up. We also get the user's guide, a warranty card, and then a little piece of paper talking about the charging itself. Let's take a look at the portable power bank, 10,000 milliamp battery from Blavor, IPX4 splash proof, dust proof, and it is shock proof as well. This thing is built like a tank. It does have some good weight to it, even though it's only a 10,000 milliamp battery. Very sturdy product, very good build quality on here. It's got a rubber coating all around it. It's not slippery at all. On the front, you're going to see the solar panel here. You do have their branding here on the bottom. And then on top here, you have a bunch of LED lights. Once you power this on, you will see a green light here. And then there are 4 LED lights that flash blue to tell you how much power you have. And the power button is actually over here on the side, built into the rubber corner. And you can see there are 3 LED lights that are blue now, meaning it's about 75% charged. And again, a 5-watt charger plugged in is going to take about 6 hours to fully charge this up. Now on the bottom here, you're going to see dual flashlights, and a little different than some of the other power banks. There is no SOS, there is no strobe light on here. And if you want to turn it on, you just hold down the power button and the flashlight will come on. And to turn it off, again, you just hold down the power button. And on the other side, up top here, underneath here, you do have 3 slots where you can charge additional devices. You have a micro USB, USB Type-C, and then your regular USB. So 3 ports to charge there. And then on the back, you do have your wireless compatible charging area here. And there is an LED light here on top that is green right now. And that is telling you that you are able to use this as a wireless charger. So if you find the right spot, it will start to charge, and it works very well. So look, a very simple product, right? It's a portable power bank that serves as a wireless charger and a solar charger. So if you are into the outdoors, look, in an emergency, you're going to want something like this to be around. If you're cut off from the outside world and you have no juice on your phone, this will help you get through that. And if you lose power at home, this will help you get through that. You're not going to have to worry about if you have power to charge something, because this will do it if you just leave it in the sun. And I have one of these sitting on a windowsill all day, every day, just completely charged all the time. I have it in my other bedroom. It just sits there in the windowsill charging in case I ever need it as an emergency backup. Very simple, very cool product, very cheap, $28.99, not a lot of money, for a portable power bank that serves multiple purposes. And hopefully you never need it, but if you do, it's better to have it than to not. So the portable power bank from Blavor, 10,000 milliamp portable power bank, again, multiple colors. I'll drop the link below, guys. Just another piece of tech that I think is cool, that I think is unique, and that I just enjoy talking about. So let me know what you guys think. That's it for the video, guys. We will be back very soon. I hope everyone is staying safe, man. Peace.